Keeping your home clean doesn't have to cost a fortune. In this video, we'll review the 5 best affordable vacuum cleaners that pack powerful suction, convenient features, and great value for your money. Whether you've got carpets, hardwood floors, or pets, these options make cleaning easier and faster. Stick around to see which one fits your home and budget perfectly. Check the links in the description for more info and updated pricing. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Eureka Airspeed Ultra Lightweight Upright Vacuum Cleaner. The Eureka Airspeed Ultra Lightweight Upright Vacuum Cleaner is an excellent budget-friendly option for anyone looking for powerful cleaning without spending much. Priced at just $49.88, it delivers strong suction on both carpets and hard floors, making it a reliable choice for everyday use. With a 700-watt motor and a 10.5-inch cleaning path, this vacuum efficiently removes dirt, debris, and pet hair. The quick-release handle allows convenient above-floor cleaning, and you can easily attach the crevice tool or dusting brush to reach tight spots, upholstery, or windows. Weighing only 7.7 pounds, it's super easy to carry around the house and store in small spaces. The compact bagless design makes it perfect for apartments, small homes, or anyone who wants a lightweight vacuum that gets the job done quickly without hassle. Another big advantage is the washable filter, which means no extra maintenance costs. At under $50, the Eureka Airspeed offers incredible value, making it a smart and affordable vacuum cleaner for budget-conscious buyers. At number 4, we have the Airdiya Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Airdiya Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is an outstanding option for budget-conscious buyers, priced at $79.99. This lightweight stick-style vacuum delivers impressive cleaning power on all floors, making it a top choice for those seeking an affordable yet versatile vacuum. Its cordless design allows easy maneuvering around the home without worrying about power outlets or tangled cords. Equipped with an upgraded 40 kilopascal motor and 2 power modes, it efficiently captures pet hair, crumbs, and dust on low-pile carpets, hardwood, and tile floors. The vacuum features a 6-layer HEPA filtration system, effectively removing 99.99% of fine dust down to 0.2 microns. The detachable battery offers up to 35 minutes of runtime, and the lightweight 2.8-pound design ensures comfortable use for extended periods. For its performance, cordless convenience, and reasonable price, it's an excellent choice for affordable vacuum cleaners. At number 3, we have the Intercleaner Corded Vacuum Cleaner. The Intercleaner Corded Vacuum Cleaner is an excellent choice for those seeking a powerful yet budget-friendly option, priced at just $29.91. 400-watt brushless motor delivers 15 kilopascal suction, easily handling hardwood floors, carpets, and pet hair, making it a reliable addition to any home for affordable cleaning solutions. Designed as a 12-in-1 multifunctional vacuum, it comes with 11 accessories, including dusting brushes, crevice nozzles, and an extension wand. This versatility allows effortless cleaning of stairs, sofas, windowsills, beds, and even cars, ensuring all areas of your home are spotless. Weighing only 3 pounds, this lightweight vacuum is easy to carry upstairs, downstairs, or around the house. The 16.4-foot power cord provides excellent reach without constantly switching outlets, giving the convenience of corded power without limitations. Its handheld mode, large 0.8-liter dust cup, and 3-layer HEPA filtration system make cleaning efficient and hygienic. With these features at an unbeatable price, the Intercleaner is a top choice for affordable vacuum cleaners. At number 2, we have the Bissell CleanView Compact Upright Vacuum. The Bissell CleanView Compact Upright Vacuum is a perfect option for budget-conscious buyers, priced at $53.99. Designed for small spaces like dorm rooms and apartments, it combines lightweight portability with powerful suction, making it an ideal choice for anyone seeking an affordable and efficient vacuum cleaner. Equipped with scatter-free technology, this vacuum captures dirt and debris on hard floors without spreading it around. The removable extension wand allows you to reach tight corners, edges, and other hard-to-reach areas with ease, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Weighing less than 8 pounds, it is easy to carry between rooms or store in small spaces. Its corded design ensures consistent power, while the simple push-button easy empty dirt container lets you dispose of debris quickly and hygienically, saving time and effort. Additionally, the Bissell CleanView supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, helping save homeless pets. With its combination of performance, convenience, and low price, it's a smart choice for anyone looking for an affordable vacuum cleaner. At number 1, we have the Chebio Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Chebio Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a powerful yet affordable vacuum, priced at $99.99. Its cordless design allows easy mobility around the home, making cleaning hassle-free on all types of floors, including hardwood, carpet, and tiles. Equipped with a 28 kilopascal max suction motor and 2 adjustable suction modes, it efficiently captures dust, debris, and pet hair. The V-shape anti-tangle brush prevents hair from wrapping around the roller, allowing uninterrupted cleaning without frequent brush maintenance. With a 45-minute runtime on minimum mode and a 1.5-liter large dust cup, this vacuum handles multiple cleaning sessions without frequent recharging or emptying. The LED motorized floor brush rotates 180 degrees and 90 degrees, reaching under furniture and corners, while the LED light illuminates dark areas for thorough cleaning. The fully sealed Cyclone HEPA filtration system traps fine and ultra-fine particles, ensuring cleaner air. Lightweight at 5 pounds, versatile, and easy to use, the Chebio Cordless Vacuum offers exceptional value, making it a top pick for affordable vacuum cleaners. Thanks for watching! If you found the perfect budget-friendly vacuum, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more smart home picks. All product links and current prices are in the description below. Clean smarter without overspending, there's a great option for every home. Stay tidy, and we'll see you in the next video.